When I come back home, boy.
Who that boy?
Dua. This another man house, that ain't home no more one.
The man for the jungle vibe from Bitters.
Oh, the bitters. Good for the baby. From the loving. Good for the baby, what? 9 months old. What to say? All Blaze and need.
The Common Loving from Bitters.
Yeah. That man can't keep up.
The man said they think they bro. Think still they bro.
Yeah.
Think still they bro.
Yeah.
True way.
Everything, and you soon got a year. If you can't get it, you have to make it.
Correct. I like where you do, boy.
Yeah, you have to make it, my brother. You talk.
Hey,
I life, like I say, you know. Yeah, we'll talk on this, yeah.
Yes, live, you're live. 91.7 FM, Diver. Garifuna Radio Station. Again, we're here. Ladies and gentlemen, share the live before we continue this live. This is going to be a very, very, very tactical move here at the Crenshaw Shopping Mall here in Baldwin Hill. Look, ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure. With the Guyon how soon Griga Yadan Griga, how soon Griga Balisi, the Loba Balisi, how soon no matter where you are, America, Africa. So with the Guyon, Penny, Barango, St. Baiti, Uganda Hopkins, Griga, Wagiale, Taifa, 91.7 FM, Yage, Lusun Ubo. So I want to say good night, a pleasant good night. It's going to be a short live, ladies and gentlemen. But we don't have no time. I say short, but we never know how this thing might turn out to be. Okay? Make sure you share the live because I'm so honored. I feel every time we come that the States we show things where we're really productive. And I want to big up this live tonight because it's a very special live, right? It's a very, very, keep it on again. Keep it on. Not loud, but I want to say, the viewers, who that? All right, correct. That's the way we like. We like the viewers. Who they on the Castle Board?
But management.
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here once again at the Crenshaw Mall, Baldwin Hill Mall, here in beautiful Los Angeles, California, alongside entrepreneur, a businessman, he's a family man, he's a Gregorian, he's a Belizean. So happy 10th of September celebration to everybody that is tuning, locked and loaded tonight on 91.7 FM. Zane, big up yourself. Good night, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Look, man, I'm so proud of you, Zane. I mean, I come in here, I walk in here, and I just buck up into this beautiful setup you got here. Very professional.
Yeah.
And look, ladies and gentlemen, you could hear the music in the background. We are in the States. We are statesified right now, stateside. And I'm so pleased to see all these accessories, all this natural thing that you have here. So, Zane, tell us a little bit about what you're doing here in Baldwin Hill.
The young lady right here, which is Bella, she does jacket. She got a wicked Belize jacket there, somewhere about. We have some Garifuna one too, when the 19 come. But right now, I Belize there. We can't stray away from Belize is where we're born. Belize is the country where we raised. So, our investment is in Belize, so that's where we're at.
So you're the type of business that you're in. Tell the people a little bit about the type of business that you're in. I see you're Belizefied right now.
Yeah, right
you're
now.
Belizefied right now, and I really like it. And it's nice and cozy in here. It make it feel like, I mean, it is ladies and gentlemen, you are feel like you're in our mall.
Yeah.
You are feel like you're in our mall. Tell us a little bit about some of your things that you have here to present. to
Well,
people.
you know, well, right now we have all the merchandising. Right now is for Belize. You know, we have a big Belize flag. You know, we are hanging around. You know, what I mean, for the 10th and the 21st. We have the Belize towel. You know,
Ooh.
right there, so.
Stay fresh,
Yeah,
stay clean.
stay clean
Dry
and
out
fresh.
yourself
Yeah,
for the beard.
yes, I.
Right?
We
Again,
have-
hold on, Jane, hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, you see this flag here? It feels good. This it feels, the towel feels good. And it's authentic, everything just painted
heavy,
inside.
yeah.
This is not nothing for the Turks.
Yeah, no.
This is
no,
a
no,
Belizean made product.
Yes,
This
I.
man will take his time
Yeah.
to make this
Yeah.
thing, and you can see the
Yes, I.
quality. You see, normally when look,
yeah.
I'm not telling a lie. The blue me, I don't come on my skin. It can't. There's no way. You know, so this is not only a Belize product, right? But it's
made by
quality
Belizean
product.
and made by Belizean.
Yeah.
You
What
know
else
I
you
mean?
have to show them?
Yeah, on top of that now we have well, you know your Belize flag. You know we are hanging in our car. You know that one, so everybody.
Then by this time,
Yeah.
everybody's supposed to have 2, 3, 1.
Yes, sir.
Everybody. When people go to the house, you go to leave parties, get in one of this flag here.
Yeah.
Contact Zane, you could buy this flag right now. They're about $10 to one. Reach over that by nothing in the other states.
Yeah. You
Right?
talk.
So this look at again, it's detail. I don't want a plain flag. It's not a normal flag. And this is why we take the time out to even inside the detail. You could see the man they're not twist up. They're the same colorway or sip on the flag, they're the same colorway or sip on this. Man, wonderful. This is another great product. What else we got?
Yeah, right. So this are the and all the things I saw when the 19th time come, we have it. You know what I
have to
mean?
have it.
Yeah, we have to have it
Have to have it.
in our culture too.
Yeah.
But this are your line yard right there, so for your
Why?
at your job with your badge.
Why?
If you want to put your keychain, your key on it, or put it around your neck, and you're all right. You're good to go.
And this is
Check.
the time
Yeah.
to be a proud Belizean, to
Yeah,
showcase
yeah,
your color.
yeah,
So the
yeah.
red, white, and blue, right? With your lanyard, and
Yeah.
it have the Belize name written right in there, because it make it different and unique. Not only the color, not only the name, even the logo.
Yeah.
God, man, very smart. I like that.
sir.
What else we got?
Well, then we have a earring. We Belize earrings. You know.
Why?
Yeah.
Beautiful gifts, man.
Yeah.
And then for my friends out there in San Pedro, you can contact Zane anytime now.
Yeah,
If you want wholesale, if you want a whole ton of this right now, you get it in a minute. You get
No
it.
time.
Right, no time. We don't want you all that from China. These
Yeah,
things
yeah,
are made.
exactly.
Zane could get this thing for you as much as you want. We know it's slow season in San Pedro right now, but how much you want to pay right now, Zane?
Wait, yeah, US. Should tell you, $15 US.
Ah, nothing?
Yeah, 15 US.
I mean, think when I look at this laser, Germany, easy $100. Easy. It's $15 for today.
Yeah.
$15 for today for the whole pair. 15 US. All right. And again, I don't know how. I'm not gonna ask him how he make it look. It's so qualified. It's quality product. Even got some more beads on the top right there, extra accessories, and this clipper right there. So it's very light too. You see.
Yeah.
Moving on.
Why? Because we want to put it with sunglasses.
Well, that my favorite.
Yeah.
It's my favorite.
Yeah. Check it out, everybody.
Why? Ladies and gentlemen, who want to go to Juve?
Yeah.
Juve and oh my. And it's so comfortable. I have I'm not telling you the name of this one.
Name brand.
It's
Well,
a name brand.
Yeah. That name brand, everybody. That name brand.
You know how I do it? Did I have to represent myself
Yes,
and the people all the time? But this one I better than this one I could tell right now.
Yeah.
Because you see, it's comfortable. This is what I like about it. This is not what dig up your nose. See?
Yeah.
You know what, dig up your nose. And it also have the Belize name right there. Look at it. Red, white, and blue. We don't wear this to school. We don't wear this. You always have to Belize. Protect your eyes, ladies and gentlemen. Football game, basketball game. You could also wear a parade. When parade they are right now, everybody should have one of these things. And not only on the 10th of September, get this all the time. I wear mine all the time. You know, I forget one of them. They right now. All right.
Why we got the Belize bucket hat for the youths?
Aye.
You know what I mean?
See, that way you know got,
Youngsters.
man. That
Well,
way you know got. Because
We got more than this. We don't have
everything,
everything out. Yeah, we have everything for real, but we
Everything,
didn't put
yeah.
out everything. Check. Can we just come? Well, remember to speak about the show. Well, but I have everything this weekend, you know, for around the Prince Hall. I think this Sunday
Is it
and
this
then
weekend?
yeah, this weekend. You know one this weekend.
I gotta check my
yeah,
itinerary
for
link that if I make we
Yeah,
see how to push
yeah.
that thing for you because we're gonna wait at Vegas, we're gonna wait at Chicago, and we're in LA right
and
now.
then we meet at Chicago, and then Dallas come up too. Cause talk about from Dallas, the Belize, Las Vegas, Dallas next weekend.
Guys, link me.
Yeah,
If you want to show that thing for you, link me. A lot of businesses have been contacting us.
Yeah.
You know, while we're out here, because we're not out here all the time. We'll be out here for the next 2 to 3 weeks. And we can push it out for you, because the people will like that type of stuff, right?
Man.
So link us on our Facebook page. And, you know, again, the bucket hat. The hat, this needed, I believe.
Yeah.
No if and but about it. This product is needed in our country. It's also needed here in Los Angeles because today was 103 degrees.
To get today, boy, got me the sweat. I
Right?
had to bring on my toilet and I want
That's this one again, then? Why? I don't like take off my tie if I cap put down. But this one, huh? Wow. Again, it's light, it's comfortable. It fits. It's fitted.
We're badly right now, normally. That's for you that.
That's
Okay,
for you?
yeah, man, that's for you that, man.
Fuck with that, clear.
Yeah.
But nonetheless, I will wear it. I
Yeah,
don't know if it match. I have to check if it match.
The blue.
I have to
Yeah,
check
you
if
got a blue in your shorts, say so.
I have to check if it match first. Yes.
People, yeah. So,
Wow.
yeah.
This is what we're talking about. So look, ladies and gentlemen.
Boy.
All right. You can take care of
I'll
business.
take care of business.
Business
Right
in
now,
the
buddy.
meantime.
What's it? Better you better use it, man.
While, ladies and gentlemen, I just feel good, you know, to showcase a Belizean entrepreneur here in Los Angeles. I ran into Zane, and Zane pretty much got, you know, we believe that when we go into the Chinese stores, you know, that they mean good for us, but it's our own people that is making this stuff, and it's a bunch of accessories, day-to-day things that you will find at home. It's here, you know. It's made by him, you know. It's a lot of stuff here in Los Angeles, and that's made by Belizeans, and you know he copy what the norm, like when you walk to an airport or to a gift shop. Zane got this, so for all those people in gift shops in Belize, so contact Zane, you know. And we're here. It's a big place, you know. It have all these radio. This is where a lot of these big radio stations in the United States come, and you know they promote different businesses. So we just have the pleasure of being a part of a platform where we have big radio stations. We're not a big radio station, but we know we have the access to it, and I feel so proud to be able to present that to you, our people in Belize and in Los Angeles. Please not forget to share the live. In the meantime, I have to big up the people on the live that are saying, you know, we have Sharon Martinez is saying, Yolanda Mariano,
Family.
Rebel Lele,
Pick up the family.
you know, and then El Castillo is say hello from Don Griga. Big up Zane, good people. Don Tolliver, Paul Maximo, big up fellas, Travis Lopez. Guys, I can't name all of you guys on the live right now. Please don't feel bad, you know, because right now we're not even halfway through.
Sure.
You know, they're halfway through. So we gotta Zane, what else you got?
Boy, big up the jersey, right? And so the Belize jersey. You know what I mean? And then for the 21st, people, you know what I mean? You got the 21st, don't forget the t-shirt. You know, we ship worldwide, you know, just a matter of get in contact with us, you know. We have Gary phone. We don't site not operate now, but we phone number today.
Phone number today.
Yeah, and then you can go to Zane Michael.
Our type before our
yeah, phone number, yes,
Yvonne Campbell.
Yeah,
Guys,
number 1,000, because you got so much, you got extra zero thing.
yeah, right. We were putting all the zeros in there. They have to figure it out. 562 408
Again, a shirt.
1000. All right. Yes. That's all right. That's the number. That's the number to That's the number in the live 562. I put the number in again 562 408 1000. Okay, and that is the number if you want to order. So any business people out there, retailer or wholesale, make sure you contact Zane because he have it fully packed down for us, ladies and gentlemen. Man,
So the sleeve,
you know what?
The sleeve, you know.
Aye.
You have to take time out and big up Daifan. Daifan do a great job with this radio station, you know, Bali.
Yes, man.
You know what I mean? You do a great job and like that I respect. I always watch you, man, but I have to watch it. You know my day go. If I busy when you the thing, I have to wait till later on when the night set. And then I watch, you know what I mean? Watch the live. But yeah, man, the man do a great job and we have to keep support the man. The man make sure that he's sure where to go on, I believe. Whatever is happening, he's there. You know what I mean? Now we're here in LA.
We're also working on big things here as well.
For real.
Worldwide,
you know, yes, global.
It is worldwide. We're planning on having someone here all year round. You know, so
you got Paul right there, Paul Maximum.
Hold on.
I don't give up the resource already.
The man talk to you now.
Randall call me.
Pick up the
Oh,
pick it up,
yeah,
man.
yeah,
No
yeah,
worry,
yeah,
pick it up. We're live on 91.7 FM.
Yeah.
Pick up the thing, your business.
Yeah, I'm here.
Right? Things have happened.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm at the shop.
Right, so again,
yeah, all right.
I have to tell you now. Yeah, we did that then because we feel that we have these resources to make a push out Belizean and Garifuna product out there. You know, and I could tell her, everybody could tell her the money doesn't matter. It don't matter.
True.
We still are getting. We still going where we get. So we are solution-minded company. That's what we do. We see things are wrong and we try to fix it. That's how we do. We don't talk about it all the time.
We don't complain.
No. We don't complain. We just do something.
It's a problem. We gotta find a solution for the problem. Whatever problem we have, you know what I mean. Like this year, what do you think that the team will be for the 19? You know,
19
yet?
It on the phone. I don't get it.
Sure.
I'll give you after this show done.
All right. Then we'll start on a short day.
All right, good.
Because we don't want a Mexican.
Exactly. No, you're right. No, say this is a dive. You say anything you want, but anything, right? We don't want the foreigners take over from
and we don't want them man somebody leave bedroom there where we show for do the thing they're gonna show there, somebody design there, get in somebody design, and have to stop that.
Well, I'm proud to be back, like I say, I'm back with these guys again. I'm trying to guide them.
As long as I got a product, it could be for anywhere. As long as I got a we're alright. You know?
Good. No,
we're good.
Size small, okay.
Do that.
Guys, please, I don't want what will happen. Okay, make it clear. Contact Zane. Don't contact me because I don't have the product. The product is right here.
Yeah.
So, one young lady says she wants a size small. And look, wholesale to Anaya Make. You are in Orinjua. All my people, contact Zane, please.
We got it by every 21st and 19th. We make 200, 300, 400 pieces for distribute throughout the whole world.
So we are start for now.
Yeah.
So I will get I got an email today about the team.
Yeah.
So I will give it to you because we can't hide the team.
Yeah.
Right? I will give it to you. I will look in my email again.
All right.
So let's go back to our viewers. This is the thing what the viewers they like.
Yeah.
The viewers like when we call in here, man. We like that too. And I am Ake. Good night. Felix Martinez. He's saying thanks for you guys. The representation at Las Vegas over the weekend.
Yeah, man. Vegas was a nice trip. Give thanks to Lali. Yeah, you know what I mean? Give thanks to Lali and the family and the crew. You know what I mean? The wife, the whole family. You know, cool all of them. Give thanks to them. You know what I mean? They make it happen. Check. And I always love to support and love to be there from the beginning before the man even talk about it, you know. Man says, and I said, but trust me, I want the day.
Hey, look, you know I mean? A lot of people up on this live tonight. I like it. I really like it. This is a big, wow, this is a, Zane, if you call the shots today, I never even think about it. Go do it. I could deal in there.
Yes, sir.
Right? Again, I want to say, big up Star McSweeney. Good evening, Daifa and Zane. Great way to advertise the Belizean products. Love this great idea. Maurice is doing a great job. Full of energy. Way to go. And Bev Bernard, please make me one from UK. You will get one. Elon Peters. Good night, Elon. Good night, my friend Elon. My family, Elon. Good night. Vexonis, love it. Good night. Hey, please. I say it again. contact Zane. Do not contact me, cause I don't know about anything. I know I had the feeling this why
Sleeve.
this is sleeve. Look at this. The basketball players, the football players, the bicycle riders, parade revelers. This look at. My ooh. This I see that kind of thing and stuff, but I don't believe in the market, right? But I don't believe Zane got it,
Yeah.
right? Zane got
Right,
this,
that's a
so
lot for
please.
Careful.
What else we got?
Why? Make sure the Belize,
Wow.
you better Belize it.
Why?
The bucket.
This is a classic.
Yeah,
One of my
that's
favorite cap.
The chopper
See?
cap.
Chopper cap.
Yeah,
See?
chopper cap,
You see that? The same. Why am I telling you no?
Yeah.
This is where Zane do.
Yeah.
Zane me the think the same way. Why am I telling you no? See there?
Laifa.
If I got it.
Original.
You see it? You see it?
You're big, my brother.
Is
You
it?
step on the map.
Yeah,
or a
I will step on the map. Is it?
You have a step on it.
Yeah, you know? The
Got different color
the
too.
wind come through there with ease. Yeah, there are thing, yeah.
Chopper
Wow.
cap, they call it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to say good night to my sister Michelle Batam.
What?
Rebel Ele.
Why she fly from Vegas?
This girl like this, she could
Nah,
fly.
yeah, flying off.
She could fly.
Fly back on
But
the Phoenix.
But I can tell you something about she, right?
Yeah.
She will bring all for she product. The last time they sell food.
Yeah. He's supposed to go for Roy thing. He
can't.
You never gone. No, that's the top. Roy
Yeah, here when
Roy
Michelle.
said, why Michelle here they come?
Here where Michelle Batam did it last time, right? Here where she did it last time. Michelle Batam bring she pot, she spoon, she fish, she ice box, all and anything there where I believe she never have to bring. She bring she bring out she pot, the frying pan,
Yeah.
per plane, per plane, Zane, per fish.
What tell me them big old one, them rusty heavy one there?
But serious, per plane. Remember when they had a breakfast sale over
Yeah.
She bring all the material left for Phoenix per plane.
From plane.
Per
Wow.
plane.
Michelle,
Like anybody
That's
want, like anybody want to take she thing for her, or she don't want to fry in and nobody else.
Yeah,
Right? She just
yeah.
bring that. That to me, that was she
why about the
never.
cooking that bring out the vibes when it comes to the cooking? You know?
But for break, you bring your own material away for Phoenix, bro. And you go to LA.
That was thing.
Yeah, she
So
did
a
that.
real chef then. She got your knife and all of that too.
You got your knife. All right.
Yeah.
Well, we're not halfway yet, but what else we got? What else we got? All right, no. All right, now, Pa Maximo, Zane,
Yeah.
you are doing a big thing, brother.
Why you see them things to Paul, you
So
know?
got to make sure I pull up to your spot. And
Yeah,
personally
yes man.
thank
Come
you
through me, buddy.
for your support. And personally thank you for your support and your willingness to chop it up.
Yeah, you
with
don't
me.
know.
Yeah, blessings, yeah. Bev Bernard, thanks, so funny. Big so, all right, Jesus. That's true? Michelle say Jesus. Yeah, you say Jesus, but that's true. I don't like.
She brings you a pot, the heavy one there.
The big one there,
The cast iron one there.
the cast iron one and the cast iron one, it black outside, you know. It black, the pack black outside. That's how I know that our patch bring in our suitcase. If it's in our suitcase.
You know Louis Vuitton suitcase?
No,
I
Louis
know how
Vuitton
she
in our
rests, you know.
suitcase. They bring the thing in our suitcase.
Wow.
I never believed
But you
what
don't
I
say the
like
name, but you say the name. What's the name of that suitcase?
All right.
Guarantee the name brand not.
Move along, moving along.
So,
Right.
oh, a necklace.
Wow.
Yeah.
This tell it off right there. As you know, pick the band here that states, you give them one of this piece
Yeah.
as their band. Right? Because you could easily replace. Make we move along, man.
Yeah.
Make we move along.
Yeah,
What is
well,
now?
that's our bracelet. Yeah, that's our
And a
bracelet.
bracelet. Beautiful bracelet.
Yes,
Only
different
color we
color.
left now. You got it now. What you got in the white
yeah,
one
and
too?
a blue too. Blue.
Only white one left.
Yeah, we don't have no white. That's blue and red.
You see it's the blue one.
Yeah,
They got the white
UP,
color in it.
UP.
Yeah, UDP and PUP.
Yeah, blue.
Red, white, and blue. Bracelets.
Yes,
Show no color.
yeah, represent.
Show who you know. You don't want to be nobody else but believe in
yourself.
people.
Yeah,
Be yourself.
You talk, man.
What else with that?
You got a cup. The coffee
Oh,
cup there.
stop.
I'll make one for that. I know you got one I search for your thing, but I'll make one for you.
Your own
Special.
style,
Yeah,
your
yours,
own
yeah,
style.
my style.
Your
Yeah,
style, your
I'm a
style.
gift.
That's
I'll be a
what it
gift. Oh, okay. This live video has ended.
Yeah, but we put down another one. Another one there. Man,
We
good
have
timing.
689 views already.
Huh?
689.
Tell 'em, man.
Yeah, man. Sick.
I tell us this.
Fuck all of that viral already, bro.
Tell us, man. Tell us,
Don't play.
Tell us, play, man.
Yeah.
That's how we try to use it positively. We don't abuse
Yeah,
it.
you know,
We don't
yeah,
abuse it,
you
eh?
know, abuse
We
it.
don't abuse the fame.
Yeah.
Be
I
real,
see
stay
it.
real.
Yeah, for real.
Back on, we back on.
You back again?
Back on. Ay. We back on.
Okay.
Check on again. Again, ladies and
Oh,
gentlemen,
yeah,
we're back.
yeah,
We're back.
okay.
We're back. On hurry share this live because
Yeah.
something come through this
Well,
place.
we have got a stage, you
Yeah,
know.
we have to.
We have to.
And if you have the shaka,
Yeah, we buy
shake
Shaka with John. Yeah, they don't
Lift
get
my
it.
vehicle,
Yeah, lift my
That's
vehicle.
too far.
We have to get me Shaka now, but I can't
Yeah,
believe. Where we could go get the man
No.
there. You sure?
Left far. We are
All
ready.
right.
The man on here.
Hey, what time Ali Bali come in and want to kill me for that Shaka that I don't know joke.
You
Man, want to buy the Shaka, tell him I
Can't
it's
sell
stock
that.
for sale.
Can't sell that.
Boy, the man chop up, the man chop up.
All right. Make we continue. Yeah. Live, continue to share this live, yeah, because it's very
We had to bring out
important.
the sage, you know, we had to bring out the dragon blood.
Yeah.
And we have to call this green one, so we have to give it a new name. I said green and Garufina, well, Sagadi. We call this one Sagadi. And then this is the dragon blood.
Dragon blood?
And Sagadi, yeah.
That's sage.
Sage, yeah.
Yeah, we need it by-
So we give it a new name.
Normally we burn it before we start.
Yeah.
But,
yeah.
normally
But
we burn
man,
it before we
yeah.
start. But
we
we
those,
good.
you know.
Yeah.
Blessings
When we left
and
it there, I
blessings.
smell it.
Yeah.
I smell it.
Vibes are move.
Something happened just now. It never happened before. I think that it's live too powerful. So I will take with time, right? I will take with time, listen to my ancestors. That's
Yeah.
all.
We didn't give praise to, we didn't give, no, we'll give thanks. Praise
Before
and
I
thanks.
come, I'm going to give a little thanks and
You
praise.
give the thanks? Yeah.
Give thanks
yes,
and
sir.
praise before everything.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, before everything gone out just now.
Yeah.
So I own Langsworth, Michelle, all part of everybody on the live right now, man.
Yeah.
Again, we are at Crenshaw Mall, Baldwin Mall. I used to come here when I was younger. You know, we call it dog out. We used to come around and dog out. You check it out.
Yeah.
So we're here now. That I'm so proud that we at a location. We can come in at the mall and say, why we see Belizean products.
Yeah.
We see Belizean artists, we see Belizean entrepreneurs inside the Baldwin Hill Crenshaw Mall.
Yeah.
And it's a very good feeling. Everything, you know, but now it's so 10th of September.
Yeah.
10th of September celebration.
Yes, sir.
You want to show your
Showcase.
patriotism. You know, showcase the red, white, and blue, right? Starting with, say we mentioned earlier, we got a cap, ladies and gentlemen. We got a cap, right? Different color. The man bring it in a red and white, and then in a blue, red, and blue,
white, yeah.
and this a red and white right there, the chocolate type color. You also got the flag,
Big flag.
the big wine of Gele,
Yeah.
right?
Big
Big
flag.
flag.
It's like this one
You got a
that's so
small
back
big flag there. What else you
Yeah.
got back there? You know,
We have, we don't
Anything
put
else?
Yeah, we have a believe definitely. Have a bandana.
oh, so
You know,
bring
we
it,
have
make
to
their
show
seat, man. Bring it, make their seat.
Yeah, bandana, yes, sir.
Bring it, make their seat.
Yeah, so if we get a bandana, you know. Okay, so, go for the next year, you'll tighten up the vibes and start getting the thing right and put the thing together. But, make that, well, use the dollars. So you make a run of dollars or what?
Once a while link me.
Once a man lick you?
Once a while link me, I go in. That's why it's easy to link up. I guess some people wonder why we're out here, and it's a connection that we always wanted to have. People talk bad about each other, but we were saying that we have to gap.
Yeah.
You know, out here is a different lifestyle. We already show the lifestyle out here. I have a couple more weeks out here, and then I don't know when I'm gonna come back to America. But we make sure now that we show productive people, and that is a part of what we do. You know, look at this flag again,
Bandana.
man. Bandana, right?
Yeah.
That's the one you put on your
Yeah,
head.
your head and, you know,
Yeah.
like, you
I
know,
don't know the Vibes Cartel use this now, so you
Yeah.
got Belize Cartel. They do that. Look it up. Make I say, bye. You know how I use this flag there?
What do I use it for? Muswed?
It's off for my. It's off for 1 hour, man.
Oh, for now, yeah.
For my 1 hour, man.
The Shaka
Yes,
competition, they come up too?
Well, you don't know. That's another major event.
Yeah,
It's an international shaka competition.
Yeah.
You know,
International.
So we have artists coming in from Promise from Honduras and Guatemala. Yeah.
Man coming in from CN Bite. Man coming in from Hopkins.
Correct.
PG, Piney.
Correct.
Livingston.
Correct. So it is going this international shaka competition is going to be one of the biggest because it's going to be in the stadium, right? It's going to be.
Oh, this one will be.
This one will be the Caramo Stadium.
Oh,
right?
okay.
So
It's a big thing.
I know you have to buy tickets ahead of time, and anybody over 60 years old are going for free. You know, that's where we are showing. So the elders, you don't have to pay for the elders.
The youth, what are the age for the kids saying?
Well, the age start as we have the juniors, you know. So this one is the seniors, right?
Oh,
so the juniors it start from 15 years old and up for the seniors.
For the seniors.
Yeah, below that is the junior international. That's typically the first one we did that. I think it was back in March. So we'll do it again this year, March again. So get ready for that one. So we have pre-sold tickets. It's only $10 for the pre-sold ticket.
You get it from Daifa.
You get it for Daifa. Contact us on our page. You know, so tickets are now on sale for that for international shaka competition at the Caramo Stadium. So it's going to be big, and well, not only that, it's going to be a family day inside the stadium where we have all the food stalls, and then they are there too. Belize and products, so they're there too. We need that.
Yeah.
Right. We need
so
that.
we have people from all over Belize come. You know what I mean? They have to come support. You know, that's a big day. You know, people from Corozal come watch this thing on Orange Walk. You know, people from Cayo. All the people there from Belize come to and come hold a vibe to eat a nice hudut. You know what I mean? A nice tapo, a nice bundega. You know, we got everything there for you. So, you know, come hold our ancestors. No, man, people there,
you know,
come on, man. I travel this whole world, you know.
You know
what I mean? If they had a bridge, so I travel, go sell to Africa, I'm going a long time.
All right. What else we got?
What else we got?
Hold on.
Oh, where we have that, so?
Before we finish up this
So what we have?
why this another
That earring, yeah.
Why?
Earring.
Why, Mama Africa, boy?
They wrap up.
Why?
Yeah.
Look
Belize
here.
and style, you know.
Look here.
Watch.
And it's light, ladies and gentlemen. It's light in Belize and
So
style.
winter time coming.
No.
What's it?
No, we're going into the cold.
Jacket there.
No, we're going into the cold. We're going into the cold. Watch this now. Watch this how we're going into the cold. Watch this how we're going. Remember, we have the caps, we have the towels, we have the sage. So I got it for like burn out all the vibes. We have that, and we also have the coffee cup, the Belize coffee cup. Belize coffee cup. Right? And if you know someone that wants to buy wholesale, contact Zane.
Yeah.
You know.
So we got the t-shirt. We got hundreds of t-shirts for you.
Why?
Dallas might come in a way, Dallas. When you think about it.
Yeah,
make
you
Dallas
make it,
become
you
bigger.
make
You
it.
know. But it'll be good making bedroom when you remember Balani again, Matura, I think. Balani from Corozal, man, I hear the man behind it. I talked to the man earlier, and I'll tell the man that, you know, bring me bedroom and we are come and make the thing big. You know what I mean? Now we come and we set everything, you know, without for Belize, without the stamp. Check it out, my bedroom come with the radar and I come with the merchandise.
Correct.
Because when we got the merchandise, you don't get anywhere.
Yeah,
you know, he say they had a big thing in New York and then they barely had anything for Belize. Big.
Hold on.
We know the day. Me and my bedroom, a few away, we really push this thing from a level
that
like
is
that.
another story. May I talk about that real quick?
Yeah.
Talk about right now.
Yeah.
New York, we held a vibe before, two times. We need to understand how our community operates. We have to help each other. I know, I try to put this now away, but I guess then, if you want a product out there, I'll say, we have recognized that Daifa will put it out there for you.
Yeah, we can talk.
Right? If you do it yourself or hire somebody else, you're not going far.
You're not going, Enough people come, I see them come and they think they're a big Dan and this and that. They even want to come challenge me, I look and I say, all right.
can't. This man
Establish myself with people. We got it.
And if you don't want,
and I will teach anybody and everybody who want to learn with respect, manners and honors, you know.
the thing is then, you don't have for them out here.
Yeah, exactly.
But they know that you got this product, so they could get it for you wholesale.
No problem.
Wholesale.
A consignment too.
A consignment
if you're
too.
right.
Right? So let's go back to our viewers. Our Wednesday night vibe, respect life. Thank you very much. Our Wednesday boy, my neighbor, good old neighbor, way far back. Avanda Jones said, "What's for free?"
knowledge.
It again. Okay, make a big up Belize and Queen Freight. That's for free.
That's she that.
Yeah, Avanda
Jones.
Jones.
Avanda, yeah.
Avanda Jones. Yeah. Big
Yeah.
up. And hey, that she make their PhDs in Las Vegas.
I know, man. She
Nice.
and Bedrin
That be nice. That be cake and thing, creamy, rich. Rum cake. I'm taste the rum. They don't play the rum. Yeah. Big up Belize and Queen Freight.
Yeah.
Big them up because when they ship, get there on time. They will clear customs, so you know what I mean? And you don't have to worry about when they say get to the 17th, get to the 17th or before.
Wow.
So Queen Freight, right? And also support the other freight companies there. We're not calling them, but support them too because they know when I go around now, I say, boy, that fella never pick me up.
I know.
Right now, guys, I don't remember.
But right now, I don't me about it. Chop up for that. I don't know.
But guys,
but you know, you're gonna see Breeze and get a t-shirt. There's enough t-shirt today. We just say that and I in there, you know what I mean?
Alright.
Go there and go get in the t-shirt because the man do support the team.
Alright.
Not like.
But I must say, I don't remember Uno guys.
We love it, though.
We love it.
We love it. We can't say we love it.
So when they ask why die for never big up, it's just that they never remember the name. I never remember, right? You can't knock me for that.
Like Carlos, me, Valley, Southside, South Beach. We change the people. South Beach now, everybody call it.
The boy Carlos Martinez?
Yeah.
That's Pele, boy.
Pele,
that's a good fella, man.
Yeah.
Pele hold a nice
I'm a Levi, man. I'm a Levi.
Yeah. But, look, seeing this backdrop right there, so Radar Power Nation.
Big thing.
We
need life up on it.
Atrocity. We have to there.
Life up
on it. We have to there wrong.
Yeah, life are big. Life are global, you know.
Yes,
I don't understand a global thing. This thing, you know, this thing are big. It's big and green and now right now. It looks for a worldwide, you know.
Avanda Jones, since you want something for free
again,
all right, here where they go on.
Yeah.
But Arthur Williams, good night, my brother, good night. Sharon Martins again, good night. Carlos, your brother in the field, like always. Salute, Zane.
Yeah.
Keep trotting by faith. Thank you very much, man. Yolanda Marino, good night, everyone. We need to go and pray for my Sunday. We have one person I preach.
Yeah, you don't know.
Yolanda go to church every Sunday, so pray for it.
Yeah. No, she going to church.
She going to church, right? All right.
Family one not, man.
Avanda, if you could tell me how much this cap weigh right now, you'll get it.
Free.
You
want something for free?
Weight. How much this cap weigh? I'll give you. I'll give you that type of cap.
I have to ship that out all the way. This like LA, most of the people there are worldwide. So
they will get it.
They will get it. Find means and ways.
Remember, contact Zane again. Contact Zane on his Facebook page because I know, even though I say contact Zane, people are still want to message me. The messages are full. Look, Yolanda pray for us. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you very much, Mr. Yolanda. Thank you very much. So we're blessed. So we can move forward in the life. Since the best. Okay, Yolanda. No, this is not a half-pound cap. This is not a half-pound cap. See? You got one more try, Yolanda. One more try. You earn yourself a type of cap. Right? No. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be wrapping up here in about 4 to 5 minutes. And again, put all fun and jokes aside. We get down to business, you know. This is a real up time. It's real up time now. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not really happy with how, when it comes to this 10th of September celebration, how we go and we fuss and buy Chinese products where really they water them. And Zane come up with this idea with all the accessories to showcase and be proud of your country, of our country beliefs. Time and time again, we don't want to credit or consignment for Zane, but we can't go credit and consignment for the Chinese them. And Zane was still credit to know and still consignment, but at least we have so much million people here in Los Angeles, California. Wanna come at the mall all the time, support it.
Yeah.
Support it. That's all now. You don't have to buy everything. You could buy this bracelet. You could buy this cap.
Yeah.
You could buy this towel for dry off yourself.
Right.
And you can't walk around with in your house wet. Right? This here, arm sleeve. Right? This here, just in case you got.
Look what we got.
Right? Just
Look,
why?
we just come in now.
Okay, and winter they come directly. So now,
Bella, you want to showcase someone, put it on. Let me come
no,
on
we
the
have
camera.
we have our
Right,
own
that's all.
personal model.
Yes, I.
Right, we have our
This
own
is a Bella.
personal model, right?
Check it,
No,
watch it.
we don't think we the joke.
Yeah.
We
Serious business.
don't believe that women the joke, right? Look there, look there.
This is coming
Why?
winter time when winter come. Watch.
Why?
Wow.
And not because of our states vibes we
Yes,
get.
I. Watch it.
Look there.
No.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah. We are.
Why?
Cracking. Yeah. Right, that's what we
Why?
like.
Thank God my heart strong.
You know what I mean?
Thank God my
Yeah.
heart strong because
Bad.
this stuff and they have all the colors in it.
Yeah.
You know, like when the national team, the volleyball team,
Yeah.
the football team,
Yeah.
the basketball team, every player, the police people,
Yeah.
the association should buy one of this for them.
In contact with.
Contact
Right,
James
that's
and buy
yeah,
one of these.
contact-
So this is
yeah.
the real deal. Because
Yeah.
it's not even, this can't fade. This, look at this a patch.
Yeah. And this is, the fabric
You know,
right
the
there, so-
fabric right there.
This I don't know
And the
what-
boy,
yeah.
Bobby, the boy always complain that they feel cold up on the plane.
See?
Now we have a solution
For the problem.
for the problem. Thank you, brother. Thank you very
Brother,
much.
blessings.
Thank you,
Yes,
thank you very much.
respect.
They said this are no players
Yeah,
here.
man, it's
This
serious
is
thing.
business and no more
No,
play.
man, no, man.
This
It's a
about the real
serious
life
business.
situation, the
Yeah.
showcase, the thing warm. The lady even is swept in here.
Yeah, all right.
They said this is what we talk about then. I just been to wrap up what I'm going to say about really about supporting our people,
Yeah.
our Belizean people. You have to support our Belizean
Yeah,
people.
real talk.
It's here. I feel so good about it.
Yeah.
What? I want one for my son. Okay, see?
See? We get one. Ooh.
Ione.
Ione. Yeah.
Wow. Where the
See
food?
where we're
I'm
located.
hungry.
Ione, this is our
Mr.
address
Star,
right here.
Mr. Star, Mr. Star.
Yeah, Mr. Star.
Yeah.
Barwell Hill, Crenshaw Mall. The address is Mall.
Oh, Avanda need an
Oh, in
earring.
the back? Yeah. Okay.
Oh, everybody need. Please again. Contact Zen. Yolanda want a towel.
Yeah,
Avanda
towel.
need
I
earring.
got your calls.
And then Ione need what jacket? Why?
3650 West Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard. Right off of Crenshaw
To the mall.
and King. Not
To
the mall.
To the mall.
Yeah.
Within the mall. Within the mall. Right?
Who that?
Right?
Eldon Peters. Do you
Elon,
know
know why Elon?
why we website right now? Why look at
Where the drummer?
easy low.
Why?
Oh, well, I'll give
Man,
you
want to know if you got a website.
Well, the
Man,
website,
man,
we got the website, but I have to, I gotta pay. I'm
Right
sorry,
now,
gotta
website,
pay
right now, website, they under construction
Yeah,
right
yeah,
now.
yeah, under
In the next
construction.
2-3 months or
Yeah,
so,
yeah,
the
yeah.
thing when they are right before 19,
Yeah.
they want to on.
Yeah, push.
Right?
Again, hard.
But how come you don't show that towel? You got a nice
Well, right
towel.
now, it's not black, white, and yellow. Right now, it's
But still
red,
showing
white.
it. Still showing it.
Well,
Still showing
you
it.
see what I mean?
Still showing
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Still
This
showing it.
is, you know?
You know? It's
What
still
is it?
showing it. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Okay, they message you. Okay, good. Felix.
Felix.
Real talk, Mr.
Yeah,
Because we
yeah.
promote the Belizean people. Hey.
Product and the culture.
Okay,
Yeah, man.
good. Okay, should my sister to come through tomorrow for a
All
jacket?
right. Okay.
All right, good.
Yeah,
All right,
yeah.
good. To come through tomorrow for a jacket.
Yeah.
Big up Daifa, big up Roy the drummer,
Yeah.
big up Gowe, big up Job, big
Yes,
up
sir.
Method, big up 501 band. They guys, they hold it down.
Boy, they knock. Yeah,
They
nice.
hold it down. They
Yeah,
boy, they
man.
hold it
Vegas,
down.
watch out. Next year, Vegas will be big, you know.
Yeah, big,
They get
bigger
bigger and bigger every year, people. Every year, they get bigger and bigger, you know?
Yeah.
They get bigger and bigger.
Oh, she needs to preaching.
Boy,
She needs to preaching
cause
so well.
just you go to my Facebook, Zian Michael. I have to use my name. I can't use my
But make us
last
type
name.
this again. I think I people.
Yeah, so they can
Okay, my
contact me.
contact you, Michael. Please.
Yeah, check. Can't use my real name, but
Yeah, please contact you, Michael, right?
yeah.
Right, for orders.
Yeah, and then put the phone number again. And then the Crenshaw, man. All with the heroes, Crenshaw, man. It's bigger. See, we got a job already. Good.
Okay, number again at 562.
562, yeah. 408 1000. I mean, original number from way Long Beach when I had the shop at Long Beach.
Like number stays
Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, man. Way back. A number international $1 million number.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, any final words for the people in Zin?
Well, you know, with a Belizean, you know what I mean? And then this every month. So, you know, we have to support. You know, we're right here. We got all the products, all the merchandise you need. Whatever you need, I guarantee you. If I can't get it, I might have to give you. You know what I mean? But I could find it and I could have to make it for you. No problem. Because that's what we do. We manufacture. You know, wrong as we manufacture, and we make anything we make.
You make anything, Zin?
Anything,
Anything.
anything. Yeah. So,
Right.
and then for the 19th, we come. You know, we come hard this time for the 19th. We're not the player. We're not
Correct.
This time we 19 this year. I know if I pound Tuesday or Wednesday, but we don't care.
Yeah.
We just love the what we do.
Yeah.
We don't do it for you know. We just do it for the love.
19th, the whole month.
Yeah, for
Whole
real.
month. Whole month.
You know, and then with the right test of the Baldwin Hill Crenshaw Mall inside of Afro City. You know, Garifo. You know, one and only. Yeah, roots and culture. You know what I mean? We have this that way. Last piece right there, something about it.
Why?
Canvas.
Fuck, you saved the best for last.
Yeah.
Save the best for last.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Look at
Canvas
that.
piece. Yeah, look at this piece.
Look
yeah.
at that.
Mighty full. You know. Yeah.
Wow.
Piece of bad man.
All right. Again,
Yeah.
it was a pleasure to showcase Belizean product, Belizean entrepreneur, Belizean businessman here in Los Angeles, California. Our time is cutting down. Guys from Los Angeles having a show, contact us there if I saw we could push it. You know, I bring some special equipment.
Yeah.
That one never worked at Vegas. They can be too hot, but thank God I have a backup plan, and everything came out nice. People don't see the mistake, but we see the mistake, so that would make we better. Because we see what people don't see. Right?
You're a military man, so you're about perfection. You don't know, you know what I mean? You got to, you know, you have to follow orders and follow, you know, you cheat, we call that thing like when you do the jobs.
Chain of command.
No, when you do a job, man, you have
Procedures.
Procedures, yeah.
Procedures, right? Right. So, Elon, contact the man. That's the number, and that's contact the man. Elon. I know in Atlanta I get cold.
Oh, Atlanta.
You know, he's in Atlanta. I get cold, Elon, and we don't want to hear that. A Belizean freeze to death, and we have jackets for that Belizean.
Yeah.
We don't want to hear that you're froze to death, Elon. Please contact Zane for your jacket. Atlanta is very cold. All right. So I want to part by saying thanks for tuning in. Thanks for keeping it positive. Everything we hear today was positive on the live. And hey, once again, ayo no do hey
Yeah,
yo.
big up
Ayo.
Omar. You saw that he run here part of the Dallas thing, Omar. Yeah, you know what I mean? So contact the bedroom, make the bedroom come do
The live.
the live for you, and then we are come, you know what I mean? We come together as one, you
Correct.
know? So
Make a link be early, right?
Yeah, next weekend, you know. No,
Take
ticket right now, ticket cheap, right? You
You have to
know.
let me know.
Yeah, you know, next weekend, ticket not too bad.
Alright, so. Hello, the laugh, boy. Hello, the laugh. The man know like a man. Everything happened at this place. And there you have it. Believes everything, believes. Are you all?
Yeah.